3 cheapest car insurance in North Carolina for new drivers. In this video, you're about to uncover the 3 most affordable car insurance providers for new and young drivers in North Carolina, backed by real data for 2025, so you can confidently choose the cheapest reliable option. This video is for informational and opinion purposes only. It is not financial or professional advice. Imagine paying as low as about $65 a month for full coverage as a new driver in North Carolina. Hard to believe? Stick with me. I'll explain how 3 providers consistently deliver those kinds of savings. Let's count down from third to first and close with a final insight you won't want to miss. 3. State Farm, consistent savings and strong local support. State Farm frequently appears among the lowest cost options for teen and new drivers across North Carolina. It offers competitive rates, safe driving discounts, and benefits like a good student program that can reduce premiums significantly. Users appreciate its network of local agents and reliable support when questions arise. 2. Progressive, smart if you have a ticket or need flexible coverage. Progressive often ranks just behind the very cheapest but shines if you've had a driving infraction. Teen drivers with a ticket can still secure rates well below state averages, and their safe driver programs reward improvements over time. Many find that even after a minor violation, Progressive's rates remain competitive. 1. Erie. Lowest rates for liability and full coverage beginners. Erie stands out in North Carolina. New drivers, especially 18-year-olds, can pay as little as $29 a month for minimum liability coverage and around $136 monthly for full coverage. That places Erie well below average statewide and consistently earns praise for both affordability and friendly, helpful service. So why are these 3 providers the top picks for new drivers in North Carolina? Because they blend affordability with smart options that matter. Programs for safe drivers and good students boost savings. Erie often offers the lowest baseline rates in the state. State Farm delivers trusted local agents and dependable service. Progressive manages to remain competitive even after a minor ticket. Want to drive costs even lower? Here's how. Stay on a family policy whenever possible. Adding a teen tends to cost much less than buying your own coverage. Ask about safer driver or student discounts. These can drop rates significantly. Reshop your policy annually. Rates can shift, so checking regularly pays off. If available, consider usage-based or telematics programs. Driving carefully or infrequently can unlock lower pricing. And that's the breakdown of the 3 cheapest car insurance companies for new drivers in North Carolina in 2025. Whether you need basic liability or full protection, these options save money without cutting corners. Keep in mind that individual rates depend on factors like your zip code, vehicle type, driving history, credit, and coverage choices. Always get personalized quotes to see which provider is cheapest for your situation. And don't forget to check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.